Hello, and welcome to your English class. Today, you're going to learn one of the most important verbs in the English language, to be. We are going to conjugate the verb and put it into sentences in the positive and in the negative. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. I am Jackie. I am, and then your name. Repeat. I am. Very good. You are a student. You are a student. Repeat. You are a student. Very good. He is Denzel Washington. He is Denzel Washington. Repeat. He is Denzel Washington. She is Shakira. She is Shakira. Repeat. She is Shakira. Very good. It is a pen. It is a pen. Repeat. It is a pen. We are American. We are American. Repeat. We are American. They are students. They are students. Repeat. They are students. Very good. Now we're going to go to the negative of the verb to be. Are you ready? Let's go. I am not Serena Williams. I am Jackie. I am not Serena Williams. I am Jackie. Repeat. I am not Serena Williams. I am, and your name. You are not a teacher. You are a student. Again. You are not a teacher. You are a student. Repeat. You are not a teacher. You are a student. Very good. He is not Idris Elba. He is Denzel Washington. One more time. He is not Idris Elba. He is Denzel Washington. Please repeat. He is not Idris Elba. He is Denzel Washington. She is not Shakira. She is Jennifer Lopez. She is not Shakira. She is Jennifer Lopez. Repeat. She is not Shakira. She is Jennifer Lopez. We are not Japanese. We are American. One more time. We are not Japanese. We are American. One more time. Repeat. We are not Japanese. We are American. They are not teachers. They are students. They are not teachers. They are students. Repeat. They are not teachers. They are students. Very good. Now, I'm going to teach you something that's called contractions. So, we can make sentences shorter in English by using contractions. So instead of saying, for example, I am, I can say, I'm. So let's try to use contractions in the positive and the negative. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm not Jasmine. I'm Jackie. One more time. I'm not Jasmine. I'm Jackie. Repeat. I'm not Jasmine. I'm Jackie. You're not a teacher. You're a student. You're not a teacher. You're a student. Repeat. You're not a teacher. You're a student. He's not Idris Elba. He's Denzel Washington. He's not Idris Elba. He's Denzel Washington. Repeat. He's not Idris Elba. He's Denzel Washington. She's not Shakira. She's Jennifer Lopez. Again. She's not Shakira. She's Jennifer Lopez. Repeat. She's not Shakira. She's Jennifer Lopez. It's not a pencil. It's a pen. One more time. It's not a pencil. It's a pen. We're not Japanese. We're American. Repeat. We're not Japanese. We're American. They're not students. They're teachers. They're not students. They're teachers. Repeat. They're not students. They're teachers. Very good. Feel free to watch the video again and to repeat as many times as you need. And I hope to see you at your next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.